What is the proper documentation that a lawyer would need to help them get compensated for a vaccine injury?
Sure. The most important thing, and I guess the most obvious thing, is going back to the doctor.
Yeah.
And then having a list, just simply a piece of paper saying, this is what my daughter, my son has had happen to them in the past number of hours or days. Take it to the doctor and then pray that that gets into the doctor's records. If it's in the medical records, you're pretty safe. But going back to the doctor as soon as you can. If you can't do that, taking video evidence, taking pictures, writing things down, having somebody else who can then write an affidavit for us to say these are the symptoms that occurred on X date, Y dates. We've even used like family photos to show somebody had to use a cane or a walker or something else because they had those problems. So creating evidence is, as lawyers, that's our most important thing, is getting that documentation. So number one thing, go to the doctor, go back to the doctor, and have them write down what the symptoms are.
Right. And I think parents shouldn't be scared, if you are concerned, to talk to your doctor. I think a lot of times people don't advocate as hard for their children as they should because they're like, oh, they're a doctor, they're a medical professional, they know best. But at the same time, you know your child, you're the parent, you're around them the most. If there's some kind of drastic change in their behavior or their condition, going to the doctor and making sure, like you said, that's documented is super important.